Hello to everybody, the FutureTrend channel is presenting our analysis of euro crosses for the day of 2nd May 2018. Right now, here the situation is really very interesting, especially in the cross of the euro sterling. That's because of the weak economic numbers coming from the UK right now. As you know, during the previous trading week, we've seen rather dismal UK numbers in the inflation, like consumer price index or average earnings index. All in all, some later on Friday, the market's seen a kind of very bad gross domestic product numbers, and finally yesterday also the manufacturing purchasing managers index came in below expectations. That hugely reduce the chances of higher interest rates in the UK right now, and for example, the chances for higher interest rates at the next meeting conducted by the Bank of England and scheduled for May reduced at the moment from 90% in the middle we've seen in the middle of April to around 10-15% right now. That's of course does not bode well for the British currency, and at the moment we've seen that it's really depreciated very much against the majority of currencies in the foreign exchange market. As regarding the euro sterling, let's see the chart of the euro sterling, and here we'd like to pay your attention on the fact that we are approaching major upside barrier in the form of longer term downtrend line drawn from the highs of 2017 through the highs of 2018. That's a downtrend line of 2017-2018, located at the moment around 0.8870, and should present a fast, reliable resistance to the upside at the moment for this euro cross. We still suggest to sell around this level a small portion of a position with a stop above 0.89, but once again it's probably an unlogical point of view. It's the point of view based only on technical factors, because also here lies a moving average 200 daily line at 0.8878. That's probably the euro sterling could find a kind of interim top around this level. Today also we have some interesting economic numbers coming both from European Union and United Kingdom. As regarding the European Union, at 10 Greenwich time we have a preliminary estimation of gross domestic product, where the market expects the reading of 0.4%. Any kind of slightly better result should really improve the technical perspectives of the euro right now. Also, as regarding the UK economic numbers, today we have a construction purchasing managers index, which is probably more important than, for example, manufacturing PMI, and should also be a kind of trigger for the future, for the near-term potential of English for the UK currency. As regarding other crosses, the EURUSD is still looking supported while trading above its current uptrend line located around 1.1930. While we are above this level, the EURUSD still has a potential to retest the psychological important level of 120. As regarding the euro yen, here the situation is a little bit strange. right now, because we have some conflicting signals. That's why we still suggest to stand aside right now, but we are looking for opportunities to sell the euro yen on a possible uptick closer to 133. As regarding the euro ruble, here the situation is under the behavior of Russian currency, which is looking a little bit weaker at the moment because of the weaker side of the Russian ruble from yesterday. And here anyway the situation is rather stable after the huge volatility we've seen during the past couple of weeks. Now the euro ruble is still trading inside of a bigger range between 72, the former upper threshold of the previously trading band, and the highs of April around 80.50. That's why we still expect that the pair is interesting to buy on any kind of dips closer to 72 region, and of course it will be very interesting to sell the pair closer to 80 with the stop above the highs of April. At the moment that's all as regarding the euro crosses. Some later we will come with our analysis of commodity currencies. Bye bye. For now it was your Future Trend channel.